Yeah, I see the stairs.
It leads all the way up to here.
Mm.
So it's connected.
Uh-huh.
Plus, I have a full treasure chest.
Uh-huh. Where's the treasure chest again?
Here.
I
Also
thought so.
known as the treasury.
The treasury. Right. That's where you keep all your diamonds, your rubies, your emeralds, your gold, your silver, your bullion.
Mostly just important stuff.
Yep.
Oh, let me give you a tour about my place. Forgery. That's where
Wait,
also.
again?
This is the forgery.
Uh-huh.
This is the gas tower.
You should make next a dungeon.
Which tower?
That's the gas tower.
Gas tower?
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
And this is a villager's hut.
It's a what?
A villager's hut.
Uh-huh.
This is the castle.
Uh-huh.
Another villager's hut. A broken down place
Uh-huh.
that got stormed by enemy troops. And my favorite. Guess what it is? One of
don't
these.
Don't tell me. Let me see. Oh, a rocket kind of launcher?
Nope. This is the
Spear launcher.
medieval time, Papa.
A medieval time. So it's a
This
spear
is-
thrower.
Quite. Well, it's a spear, but it's automatic. So it's a spear. It's something that goes like this.
Cool.
When enemies get near it.
Uh-huh.
And it's next to the walls, so no enemies could get past.
Do you play with the guys?
Yep, I have 17 people now that my Harry Potter's with.
Oh, I see. So you've got a lot of people in this village.
Yep, as you
17.
can see. This one's a villager, dude.
Okay.
Are you doing this on video?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Yep.
Oh, this is my car. Like, who are you going to send a video to?
Probably Nancy.
Okay.
She'd put it on YouTube, though.
This is mine.
Ooh, yeah. You
Wait,
did
you're
that part. I already
serious?
told her that you
Wait,
did part
wait,
of it.
wait. Should we put that on YouTube?
We could. Do you have a YouTube channel?
For me?
Yeah.
Well, I'd rather just do videos on my Switch, even though I don't have a camera on it.
Oh, I see.
No, I do not right now at the moment.
But you do have some stuff on YouTube.
Oh, but
So isn't that your channel?
I guess, but I haven't made a YouTube video.
Yeah, you
Yes.
did, remember?
Well, yeah, but I don't even know what to do next.
Uh-huh.
Some
But you
st-
do have a channel, right?
Yeah, but I can't think of anything to do.
Uh-huh. Well, you will. Don't worry.
Okay, so this is a little bit of a river.
Make a dungeon for the people.
Okay, this is the top. Where your left hand is, that's the top. So you need to turn it this way.
Awesome.
Stop.
I mean, you should, if you want it to be the way they designed it.
Papa,
So the bottom's down over there. Yes, dear?
give me the phone.
Okay. It's still recording.
Yeah, I know that. Okay. Okay.
Okay, now
Right.
you kind of got it straight here. Yeah.
Okay, right here you can see something green.
Who did this?
That's a crystal. And this yellow thing you can see is a yellow diamond and the candlestick. This is where I store my potions. This is where I put the royal car. And the rest of this is just my hometown village. This here is a gas tower. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
Villager's hut. That's a villager's hut. That's been overrun and destroyed. And this is something that rotates. But, but I don't remember where the pieces were. So, and if you look at over here and here, those are archer towers. I have 17 people in total. That's the forgery. That's the car I made, Harry Potter. These are 3 wizards. And mostly that's my village. Okay, I'm done. I'm done, Papa.
That all?
Yep.
We'll take one last cool look at it. Wow.
I'm so impressed with what I did.
Me too. Oof. You've improved it since yesterday.
I know.
Nice.